Quite, quite. Thought I'd change it up a little bit today. Just got back from a nature walk with a group of people about 25-30 miles from here. Beautiful Vermont mountains. There's a story, there's a teaching behind every single nook and cranny and river bend, forest types, stone outcroppings, clouds that pass over at that instant, and so on and so on. Forever. It's amazing. And it's our job to just listen to the land. The changing up is that I realized when I was leading this group that I wanted to be very spontaneous. I don't have a routine. I don't reproduce, I don't replicate or reproduce the same thing over and over again. I just try to be completely in the moment. So maybe the most important thing in these the nature connection exercises is I try to just remind people to stay present and not think about tomorrow's dinner or yesterday's conversation, but to really do our best to bring our minds, our senses, our spirits, every part of who we are into this encounter with the wild, encounter with the wild within. And obviously, if we're not in Antarctica, it's all relatively wild. Some places are wilder than others. But you can have this encounter in New York City. But that's another video. I'm so excited about when I'm with a group, changing it up, getting really down on the ground and smell and explore and reach up to the sky and the stars and everywhere in between. Some woman, she was like, wow, look at that rock outcropping. It's like a dragon. And then somebody said, yeah, let's go check it out. It's these were 30 somethings and it was great. They just entered into the mythic landscape and we climbed on the dragon's back. So just being open, wild, spontaneous, letting the spirit flow through me as the temporary mentor, with the idea of getting everybody into that space of not knowing what to expect next, getting off the beaten path. Listening internally, emotionally, vibrationally, as we focus on meeting the natural world. And also in a group, meeting people where they're at and not trying to push it too hard in one direction or getting too exotic, philosophical, but not dumbing down either. And I did a rooting exercise of extending our feet trees and making that below world energetic connection. And yeah, it just feels good. And going to a beech tree that still has its leaves and looking at the underside of a hemlock, and did I say watching the clouds pass by? And of course, most importantly, sensing into the individual styles. Some are quieter, some are more extroverted. Letting everybody just be in the forest together, respecting everybody, being at peace in the forest. I think that I said that was the most important thing to me, is to be able to relax and bring out that inner child and feel the peace and worry-free quality of the forest.